Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can make account on Figma. It is totally free. You can easily make account on Figma using your Google account, using your email or any Facebook or social media account. First of all, I am opening my browser. You can search Figma. Here you have to click on login or get start for free. So I have not made. I am going to click on get start for free. Here you have to continue with Google. You have to click on email. You have to give permission to Figma to allow your Google account. Figma is a tool used for prototyping, for designing frames for websites and application. It's very good for UI UX designing. I am choosing my username for this. So first I will tell, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for this. What kind of work you want, you choose. You can invite anyone to your collaboration. You can make project and invite your collaborator who can design UI for your website with you. You can choose anything. It has two plans. The starter plan is free and the next plan is the professional. Its benefit is that starter plan has 3 projects that you can collaborate. You cannot add more than 3. But the professional plan has unlimited projects. You can make many projects and collaborate with other, but starter plan has 3 projects that can be collaborated with others. This is the first demo of Figma tool. You can practice on it and design new UI. So I am going to open its homepage of Figma. It's open. You can preview it. I have previewed this website. If you need any service related to Figma, you can contact me on Fiverr. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Thanks.